Now I'm going to show you how to color in a cell in the Numbers app. First, we have to open up the app, and here we have a document with some tables in it. And let's say we want to color in this cell in this table. We just click on it, and then here in the cell option we have fill, and here we can select color, and it's going to fill it like this. And also we can have a gradient fill, and we have a bunch of options to choose from, like this. Probably we can also extend it as well with an advanced gradient fill, like this. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.